Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking some low and slow beef ribs. We're going to be using Angus and Oink, the General, and we'll be cooking on the Hellrazr Yama. Come on, let's cook. I've already got the charcoal started in the Hellrazr Yama. I'm just going to add some whiskey smoking chips to this. Then we're going to insert our smoke baffle plate, which we always cover with the aluminium foil, so it makes it easy clean up. Next we're going to insert both racks. Would you believe it, I had two cameras running while I was filming this, but forgot to press record when I was covering these beef short ribs in the Angus and Oink, the General. Anyway, who wants to watch somebody rubbing the meat? So we're going to get these on. I'll put the thickest point towards where the smoke's coming up, where i.e. the heat is. We're going to open the left hand vent, make sure the right hand vent's shut, and the same at the bottom. So the left hand air vent's open, the right hand air vent's shut. I've left these for 2 hours, we've not opened it, we've not looked. So now it's time for a spritz. So we've got equal parts of apple juice and cider vinegar. I'm just going to give them a good old spritz. I'm going to get the lid shut. And we're going to go for at least another 2 hours. After another 2 hours, you can see these beef ribs are coming on lovely. They're starting to pull back on the bone. I'm just going to give them another spritz. Taking on some lovely colour. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. Just hit the subscribe button below. We'll get this lid shut and we're going for another 2 hours. So after another 2 hours, we're going to give them a spritz again. Get the lid shut and keep going. We're looking for an internal temperature of 96 degrees C, that's 204 F. So we've got our internal temperature. All I'm doing now is just using the probe to do the probe test. There should be no resistance to this probe. So these are done, we're going to get them off. We're getting to a triple layer of aluminium foil. We're going to wrap these and we're going to stand these for at least 1 hour. So after 1 hour it's time to serve, and all we're going to do is serve this on a bed of mashed potato and some thick onion gravy. So this is Dutch's slow roasted beef rib using Angus and Oink, the General, in the Hellrazr Yama. We'll just take a slice off this and see how we've done. Beautiful smoke ring and nice tender beef short rib. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.